Imagine finding your tools in seconds, not minutes. It is possible. Let me show you how. The age-old wisdom of Benjamin Franklin. A place for everything and everything in its place. This quote becomes the lifeline when it comes to maintaining order in your workshop. But let's face it, tools scattered around can be a real eyesore and a productivity killer. If you're a maker, you know what I'm talking about. But what if there was a solution? This is ShadowFoam, and it's about to revolutionize your workspace. ShadowFoam is a high-quality tool organization solution, meticulously crafted to snugly fit within toolboxes, drawers, and other storage systems. It's here to bring order to your chaos, no matter if you're running a professional workshop or just refining your personal hobby space. Are you wondering why ShadowFoam is worth your hard-earned cash? Let's walk through the reasons. With Unrivaled Customization, each of your tools can have a bespoke foam cutout. No more hide-and-seek games with your screwdrivers. Less time searching means more time creating. That's the magic of ShadowFoam. Plus, its high-quality material acts as a gentle, firm guardian to your tools, prolonging their lifespan. Imagine this: your workspace, once a jungle of tools, now an orderly haven that would make even a Swiss watchmaker envious. Find what you need in a snap and bask in the professional clean aesthetic ShadowFoam lends to your space. You might balk at the price tag at first, but consider this. You're not just buying a tool organizer. You're investing in a solution that boosts productivity, protects your tools, and enhances your professional image. Remember, an orderly workspace reflects your commitment to quality, and in business, reputation is everything. So there you have it. ShadowFoam isn't your ordinary tool organizer. It's a resilient, productivity boosting, space transforming solution. One that ensures every tool has its place, saving you time and creating an environment that oozes professionalism. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment that will repay you many times over. Are you ready to take the leap into the world of ShadowFoam? Let's revolutionize your workshop experience. If you're eager to transform your workspace, head over to the ShadowFoam website using the link in the description below. And if you want to save 10%, use code PEACHTREEC on checkout. With ShadowFoam, every penny invested brings you closer to a more efficient, productive, and well-organized space. Welcome to the world of ShadowFoam.